Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. Today we're out here at Infiniti. We're doing the full-size SUV for Infiniti, the QX80. So this one, yeah, it's the 24. And this one does have fasteners. It's going to go in the lower center part of the grille. Looks like it's got some sensors and adaptive camera there, but we should be able to get below that. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the fitment. I'm going to turn it over to Mike.
All right, thanks, Steve. And like Steve said, this one uses two factory fasteners right here and right here. These are have a 13 millimeter head on them. It's a 6 millimeter bolt. So we're going to go ahead and take those off. This is a really straightforward installation. This should be really quick. We're going to be taking these screws out and we're going to be putting them right back in. It's a bolt, you can see, so it's going into a nice solid metal bracket. So it's a nice and solid. So there you go, those out. And like I said, we're going to be reusing these. So we're going to take our base plate, pull pin on the right. We're going to put the bolt we just took out through. Start this one. Give it a couple turns, and then put the other one in. Give it a couple of turns, and then snug it up. I like to give a couple turns on this one, and then a couple turns on this one. Just keep it from getting cocked. And there you go. And then and again, this is going into a metal bracket, so you can obviously, on most of them I just grab the head here when it's going into like a little J clip, but on this one I can actually get at the end of the ratchet there and put some pretty good leverage on it. Okay, after that's in, take your front plate, start it in. You'll see it'll hit the pin. You just push it by the pin and then you'll hear that click and you know you're done. And that's all there is to it on this one.
All right, and remember, from time to time, lubricate your pull pin. Keep that working properly. And if you do go through an automated car wash, make sure you remove your front plate hair, because that will get damaged. And like all our vehicles, this bracket fits this specific car, so this will not fit on any other Infiniti or any other vehicle. So this is vehicle specific. And then to finish it up, you're going to want to take your license plate, attach it to the front plate there, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10 millimeter socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.